Concurrency is something every mobile developer needs to be well aware of. Every single application, whether it's a very simple or a very complicated one, needs to have a strategy for concurrency. So let's just look at this simple application that I wrote, which retrieves and displays champion data and images from the League of Legends API. What you can see here, I display a little bit over 100 images, and look how smooth the scrolling is. Now, just to get this data, there are a number of network requests that occur, all kinds of caching that occurs, and every little decision has an implication on how well my application responds to the user. I want it to be smooth. I want data to be available immediately. And so it's very important to have a strategy for concurrency. If I click on Annie, for example, look how quick everything displays. These are large images that have been retrieved and cached previously. Each time the application launches, it goes out and checks the API, the data that's available remotely, and compares it to the data that I have stored locally in the database. If nothing's been stored, or if my local database is out of date, it will clear the local database and resync everything. Resyncing means it goes out and grabs all the images, all the data again, and we're talking a total of about 15 to 1600 individual images that gets cached. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes on Wi-Fi. The whole time, while that's happening, my application is responsive. I display images as soon as I get them, and I have made specific decisions that impact the user's ability to use my application and to keep it responsive. So I'm going to go through a number of things regarding concurrency, specifically the decisions I made in this application, in hopes that sharing this will help you when you build your applications.